Okay, if you want to draw the research diagrams in the PhD, so which one is the best website, which one is the best app, so we have to use. Okay, so many have doubt. So coming to there are many applications are there, many websites are there to draw the diagrams in the PhD or in the research. So one is the lucid chart, eraser.io, figma tool, figma drawing tool, and then inkspace, and then draw.io. Okay, so as of my experience, I have tried I all these applications. So I have drawn the diagrams using lucid chart, so eraser.io, figma tool, and then inkspace, and then draw.io. Okay, so which one is the best? So the best one is, so draw.io is very easy and very best to draw the research diagram. Okay, so remaining for example, so lucid chart is a paid version, so eraser.io is a paid version, so figma is also paid version, so inkspace, so these are all the paid versions. So yeah, for example, if you draw the diagram, then suppose if you don't pay the, you have draw the diagram, so any one of these tools, okay, if you want to download, if you want to export to your device or system, so even though some of them they make a free version, the pixel size, the clarity of the image is not good. Okay, so when you buy that so using some using some amount, so even though if you buy this using this, so they are not good. That is my experience. Okay, you may think for you this may good, that is okay, no problem. So I'm telling my experience, I'm telling. So among out of these four, even though eraser.io is best, so it is AI generated images. Okay, for example, if you do something, some query, some problem statement, some what is the query you have to draw, it will automatically draw in a fraction of seconds. Eraser.io, but that is a paid tool. So which one is the best one is, so draw.io is the very best. Okay, today I will show today I will show how to draw the very simple system architecture in the using draw.io. Okay, okay. So first you have to go to the draw.io. Okay, draw. So like this you type. So then we'll get the links like this. So these are the links like this. You may click on this. Then you click on the start. So this is the diagram which already I have drawn. Now I will take a new file. So blank diagram. You give some name here, like system architecture. Okay, I have given sys.io. You select PNG or something. Okay, like that you select, and then so you create. So this is the so canvas where you have to draw the diagrams. This is the place you have to draw the diagrams. Okay, so I will take simple diagrams. So these are the some shapes which you want to use, like a rectangle, like a curved rectangle, and then square, and then circle. Okay, all those things. So use whatever you want. Okay, so if you drop down, we are having some more images like this. Okay, so if you want to go for advanced, these are some more images, some more shapes we are having, like basic images, shapes. So and then arrows. So like flowcharts like this we are having. So if you want to draw some UML diagrams, so in this also it is very useful to draw the UML diagrams. Okay, so like this there will be some use case diagram, class diagram, like this you may get. Okay, so I will take first one. So first one I have taken general image I am taking here. So using this only we are able to complete the diagram. Okay, in the for the PhD or the research. Okay, most of the cases. So I'm taking the this one. Simply you click on here, then you use the mouse. I'm taking left click in the mouse. Okay, so this is the shape I have used. Hmm. Now if you want to insert some text into this box, simply using a left click of mouse, double click, then you write something. Okay, I'm writing input data. So I have taken some name for this. Okay, in the process of the system architecture. Now if you want to maximize, you drag like this. Okay, you drag like this. And so generally if you export this image in the output, these lines, okay, they are not visible. So what you do, you have to make bold. You have to make it bold. How to make it bold? Simply take a left click, then okay, you click on that, you go there, here, go to I mean style. So and then see here, click on the up arrow. So like this you get the this, okay, this border will get bold. Okay, so that is what you have to increase the size of the border. Okay, if you want to change uh, the main background color, so simply there are many other colors. For example, if you choose this one, so like this it is going to appear. Okay, if you want to choose next one, okay, if you want to click on that, it is going to look like this. Okay, that is what. Okay, so if you want to click on that, if you want to change whatever you want, you change. Okay, so in this way you have to draw the first one. Okay, now I'm taking normal simple. Generally for the PhD purpose, take the light colors, that will be good for you. Okay, now if you want to change mm, the color of the input data, like this, you click on that. Okay, so then you see like this, you see. Okay, so for example, if you want to first, you see there are many bold, italic, underline. If you want to, this is something name, it is some font style. Okay, if you want to go Vardhana Times New Roman, and then okay, for example, if I choose Comic Sans MS, then click on that, automatically it is going to change like this. Okay, now if you want to increase size of the font size of this text, so you have to go to here, go to text one, and then go to here. Okay, like this. Okay, see, it is automatically increasing. You click on the, take a left click, okay, in the mouse. Okay, like if you want to change this color of the input text, okay, first you double click on this input data text, go to here, see the mouse, don't click on this, don't click on this, then you choose any one. For example, if I take this yellow one, click on that, apply. Okay, like this it is going to appear, which is not visible for us. Okay, do take one more color. If you take this one and then apply, okay, it is also not looking good. Then you take one more and then click on the, and then apply. Okay, now it is looking good. So in this way you select the color font, color of the text. So this is font. So before that, okay, and one more suggestion, you choose the landscape here. Okay, don't choose portrait, you choose landscape, and take this canvas size I'm telling, you choose the A4. Okay, this you have to select. So in this way you have to draw the first one. Now take one more. So I'm taking one more here. Okay, so same you do. Okay, if you want to maximize, so if you see, if you do, for example, you may see there is some, again when you drag this here, this canvas is going to, the drawing space is going to increase. For example, if I draw like this, see, it is going to increase. See, it is going to increase it. Okay, there will be like this, see, like this, it is going to extend. Okay, how much you drag, that is what here, this is the, okay, in this way. Now take one more now take, I have taken one more rectangle shape. So I'm doing same as it is. For example, here I'm taking go to style. Okay, go to style here. Okay, go to style, and then choose some color, you choose whatever you want. Like this I have chosen. So and then what is important, you have to increase the border size. Why? Because when you export the images, this border is not visible for you. Okay, so better to make it bold, the borders. Okay, so that is, for example, if you want to choose lines, whatever, for example, if you want to choose this one, okay, it is going to appear like this. Okay, like that, simply it is very easy to navigate through all the menus, all the styles. What style you want, you choose whatever you want. Okay, that is what. Now this is the box I have taken. How to increase them, how to make it is a bold? So simply click on that, you go to the style and go to number of points here. Okay, it is automatically the size increases. Okay, that is what. Now how to insert data? So simply double click, so input data. So take any some name, data pre-processing, like this. Okay, data pre-processing, some name I'm taking here. Okay, so now they're both are in the equal location, equal size. If you want to change text data, what I told, double click on this, go to font color, you take some color whatever you want. Okay, so I'm taking red and then apply. Okay, in this way you have to create the boxes. Now if you want to draw some arrows, okay, see here there are some arrows, simply click on that, you drag there. You drag here and do some, okay, location change. So it is, see, as my experience, draw.io is very easy to draw the diagrams compared to remaining applications like lucid chart, figma tool, all those things. Okay, so this is my experience. Okay, now even though you have to make the line bold, okay, that you have to do. For example, click on this, again what you have to do. So see, there are many there like this lines you have to use. Okay, and then if you want to take empty, for example, if I want to take the empty line, click on that. So 1 second, if you want to normal line, 1 second. Okay, directly choose here, no need to do here. So click on this, now make it as a bold. If you want size increase, see, in this way you have to increase the size of the arrow mark. See, without if you don't make it a bold, the image is not visible for you. Okay, and then you have to increase size of the text also. How to increase size of a text? So go to here, simply increase the and make it as a bold if you want. Okay, so in this way you have to draw the diagram. So and then now take one more, and then take one more. See, there are many are there, use according to your problem statement. Okay, now I'm taking the one more shape here, I'm taking here. Okay, if you want to maximize what, how much you want, so that's what. Okay, again do the same thing, increase the size of the border. So see, style here, increase the size of the border like this. If you want to change color, you take some other color. So I'm taking like this one I'm taking. If you want delete, simply click on the delete, press delete. Automatically that will be deleted from your blank space. Now how to insert image, how to insert some text, so click on that. So finally, okay, classification or segmentation SCG. Okay, segmentation, some give some name. Okay, if you want to change color, go to here and then so take like black, you take, so apply. It is not looking, so change some other color, apply. Sorry, the border is changed, sorry for that. Now click on that, so then apply. Okay, now color is changed. Now again, now you found the arrow. Okay, for example, if I take normal line, simply click on that, sorry, backspace. Then what you do, simply connect these two. If you want to connect like this, then bold, make it as a bold. See, once you, okay, what I suggest, better to draw the 3 to 4 diagrams, so that you come to know what is all this right hand side, what are all the shapes, you have to use all those things. Okay, first to draw the simple diagrams. Hmm? Now, for example, if I want to make some connections, for example, if I want to make use some, okay, I want to use this connection, I want to connect this and do using this arrow. Now see here, now I'm doing like this. So and then simply you drag it here. Okay, like this. So click on, so this is very free version of tool, so no need to pay, no need to pay. Okay, it is free tool, you are able to use freely. Okay, better to know this thing, it is very easy to understand. So click on that. So use whatever color you want, for example size increase. Okay, so better always better to increase size of this 5 to 6 7 points 8 points. At that time only your image is visible for you. Okay, so simply, for example, if you want to add any external image, what you do, you minimize this one, you minimize this, simply you drag and drop the image. Okay, that is visible here. Okay, that, okay, simply if you want to, you would use any like a lung image, like a skin image, like heart image in the research process, simply you minimize this. Okay, you minimize this, then you simply drag and drop that image into your workspace, automatically it comes. Okay, that is what. Now image is ready. Now what you have to do, okay, so go to the file, so and then export. Export, you take whatever you want, png or jpg. I am taking png image. So you select, don't select page, select diagram. Okay, zoom equal to 100%. Okay, select to light, and then you give some name, export. Okay, okay, it is already named, it is sys.drawio.npg. So simply click on the save. Now the this one is downloaded. Okay, now we see here, for example, okay, I'll show the image. So right click, open. Okay, this was the image opened. Okay, so I'm opening the image. One second. Okay, this was the image, it is opened. Okay, so in this way you have to draw the diagram. Okay, so next what you do, okay, so this is the for example, this is the image. Okay, this was the image, this was the image which we drawn. See, it is looking very good. Okay, what you have to do, so you have to change the pixel size. Actually, if you want to use this diagram, if you want to publish this diagram in your research papers, you have to convert into some pixels. For that, what we have to do, okay, we have to, there is a some small website, I'll show that. So one second. So you use the type like this, convert. So convert to DPI. Okay, DPI 300. Okay, so like this, click on that. One second. Then you choose the second one. See, this is the, it is visible for you. You choose, you take this one. Okay, you take this one. Okay, click on that and you choose image. So go to downloads. One second. One second. Now you have to choose the image. Then see, okay, see it is like the civil gate. Sys dot draw IO 300. This is pixels. Okay, 300 dot png. So that is automatically it is downloaded. Okay, then where you have to go? Go to downloads. Okay, so I'll show that. So simply go to downloads, and I am opening this image. One second. Okay, so this was okay. This is the image. See, like this, you are going to get sys dot draw IO 300 dot png. Okay, this is your final image. Okay, so actually simply if you export the image from your draw.io, that is not useful. What you have to do again, you have to, okay, you have to convert. Okay, you have to convert that image. Okay, you have to convert that image using this website. Okay, convert dot down image dpa, choose image, automatically it is going to convert and downloaded. Okay, first you have to export the image from here to your computer. Then you have to open this website. You have to open this website, and then you have to convert. So that is your final image. So what I want to say, compared to the, okay, compared to the lucid chat, eraser.io, figma tool, and then inkspace. This is the very best one, and then this is a free tool, so you can draw any number of images you want. Okay, this is very useful and flexible compared to these are all paid tools and very difficult. Okay, so what I suggest, so you have your own choice, but my suggestion is better to use the draw.io. It is very useful for you. Okay, please kindly share this information to your friends. Thank you.